Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about a very exciting new launch which was just launched yesterday. Before I just go deep down in this project, let's talk a bit about the developer. The developer is Diyar, which was founded in 2002 and has transformed Dubai skyline not just in residential but also in commercial and hospitality. With nearly 2 decades of experience in real estate, Diyar has excellent customer service, transparency, and trust to all its customers. Let's take a small look at some of the projects that Diyar has already delivered. Atria and Regalia in Business Bay, some of the projects Bella Rosa in Dubai Science Park, and a master community in Dubai Production City called Midtown by Diyar. With a strong focus on quality and timely delivery and customer satisfaction, Diyar has really earned trust of investors and end users. So whether you're looking to invest or buy a dream home, it is perfect for you as an investor. Now let's talk about this new master project which was just launched yesterday in Business Bay. Dubai skyline is evolving again, presenting downtown residencies by Diyar. The downtown residencies will stand tall at 445 meters, that's 110 plus floors. Imagine this building is going to literally revolutionize the Dubai skyline. If I talk about the location, it is located literally the corner plot in Business Bay, which is minutes away from downtown and Business Bay Canal, right on Sheikh Zayed Road and walking distance to metro station. Now imagine 110 plus floors and you only have 522 premium units with a mix of 1 to 3 bedroom with some duplexes and penthouses on the top. If I talk about the amenities, you have amenities on 5 different levels. After every 30 floors, you have amenities box, which will be like 3 floors like this, and each box will have 7 plus amenities, including wellness, spa, gym, pool, and whatnot. We also have on the top a royal palace which will be spanned over 15 to 17,000 square foot, priced at just 80 million dirhams. So we have just come here to show you the plot location. As you can see, this is a corner plot right bang on Sheikh Zayed Road, and on that side you can see the metro line, which is just walking distance from the plot. Look at the view of Burj Khalifa and the full skyline that you're gonna get from the residence. And one more great thing about this is the sizes are quite generous. When we compare the neighborhoods The sizes here starts at 760 square foot for 1 bedroom. On an average, 2 bedroom is 1200 to 1300 square foot. 3 bedroom is 1500 to 1700 square foot. So sizes are quite marginal and quite little on a higher side when you compare it with the neighborhoods. I think for investors, Downtown Residences is a real gem as it provides off-plan flexibility and with the amazing payment plan of 50-50. Now 50% is spread over 3 years and 20% you pay this year, 10% every year. So as you can see, it's getting very, very crowded. So let me step aside and explain more about this project. Now let's talk about the payment plan. Payment plan is really, really flexible, which is great for investors and also end user who's planning to, make Business Bay or downtown a home. It is 50-50. So 50% is spread over 3 years and 50 at the time of handover. So in this year, you pay only 20% plus 4%, which is the registration cost. Next year, and every year you pay 10%, which is 5% and 5% 2 times in a year. For investors, I think Downtown Residences is really a gem because it provides excellent flexibility to you as an investor in terms of the payment plans and the structure. So if you would like to know more and capture your expression of interest, DM us right now because units here are starting at just 1.8 million dirhams, and do not miss your chance because we only have 522 premium units in this beautiful project.